Good morning. I, Raghavendra, as Admissions Chairman, on behalf of BIM, am very happy to welcome you, Batch 37. BIM is a great place of very high repute over the last 36 years. While there are many who dream to join this great institute, you are the lucky ones who got selected. We do not want you to wait, and hence we are commencing classes online, as many have been eagerly waiting for this. I once again welcome you and wish you a great future at BIM. We will now see a virtual tour of BIM campus. I now request Dr. S. Karthaya Pandian, Director, BIM, to give his inaugural address. Dr. Karthaya Pandian is a retired Indian Administrative Service Officer from a humble background. During his tenure in public leadership and administration for 30 years, he has led multiple government organizations and corporate institutions with notable success. He has served as Public Secretary, Secretary, Municipal Administration and Water Supply, Special Home Secretary, Collector and District Magistrate of Erode, Director of State Industries and Commerce and Commissioner of Tiruchirappalli City Municipal Corporation, including corporate assignments such as Chairman Repco Bank, Managing Director, Tamil Nadu Water Supply and Drainage Board, and Managing Director, Tamil Nadu Medical Services Corporation. Dr. Karthaya Pandian has won many international and national accolades for his service, including the World Environment Award for Water Management in Denver, Colorado for implementing rainwater harvesting in Tamil Nadu and National Productivity Award in sugar industry. Dr. Karthaya Pandian is a strong believer that one is a student for life and that learning will never end. He has a deep passion for learning and education that reflects his scholarship. He holds and cherishes each of his degrees, Doctorate in Management, PhD from Manonmaniam Sundaranar University, Masters in Foreign Trade from Central University, Pondicherry, Masters in Law from Bharathidasan University and Masters in Business Administration from Bharathidasan University. He is an active executive member of several management associations, including the US Academy of Management and the MIT Sloan Management Resources Program. Dr. Karthikeya Pandian loves to read, especially about leadership, business strategy, entrepreneurship, innovation, poverty alleviation, law and public administration. I now welcome Dr. Karthikeya Pandian.
Dear students, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all this morning. I wish to congratulate each of you on having made it to this prestigious school. This is a defining and proud moment for every one of you, and also to your parents, family, and friends who all share in this great achievement of yours. Your experience here at BIM and your success is important to each and every member of the faculty and staff who work here, and I am sure that this class of 2020 will make the school proud with impressive results in all fronts. You have arrived in an institution that is a tradition of 36 years, a tradition of creating successful managers, responsible leaders, and the enviable entrepreneurs. The successful tradition was a result of commitment and hard work on the part of students and by the creation of a learning ecosystem at BIM. You will soon be a part of this great tradition. While you can enjoy the fruits of this success story, you should also remember that all of you have a significant role to play in improving and developing yourselves to take your capabilities to a higher platform. Unflinching commitment to the purpose for which you are here and pursuing all relevant activities that will change you for the better is essential to take this institute to greater heights. By taking part actively in your transformation process, you help yourselves, you help the institute, you help the organizations you are going to work for, and above all, you are going to help this country. Bharathidasan Institute of Management launched its MBA program in the year 1984, and today we have you, the 37th batch, entering our portals. BIM has carved an enviable niche for itself in the field of management education in the past 36 years as an autonomous business school of excellence affiliated to Bharathidasan University. Our program is unique that it not only emphasizes on knowledge that is contemporary, but also places importance on character building, ethics, social responsibility, and sustainability. Our MBA program would help you to acquire all the important skills that are relevant to a successful management career ahead of you. We have received many accolades from within our country and abroad. Our students have constantly proved their caliber by participating in many national and international events and won laurels. Our students stood first in the world in the year 2019 in Global Capstone Business Competition Simulation International Challenge. This year, out of 600 teams participated in the same CapSim global competition from across the world, one team from BIM secured a place in the top 10 list with a rank of 9 and another in top 20 with a rank of 17. BIM is the highest ranked among all institutions that competed for India. Management is a practice that has to blend a good deal of craft, that is experience, with certain amount of art, that is insights, and some science, that is analysis. Therefore, we continuously review our curriculum and radically alter our approach to learning. I am happy to inform you that though BIM revises the syllabus every year, this year we have restructured the syllabus taking into consideration the tremendous changes happening in business and business education. We have included in the current year 13 additional contemporary courses, including liberal arts and aesthetics, interpersonal dynamics, advanced market research, behavioral finance, project appraisal, finance and management, derivatives and risk management, data appraisal, finance and management, derivatives and risk management, data science tools, cloud computing and robotic process automation, along with other courses that capture what is happening in the business world. These innovative courses are unique and would benefit our students from the current year, and this should serve as a unique competitive advantage for our students to reach the leadership position in the fast track. BIM is committed to develop responsible leaders who will not just confine their dreams to career, rather will dream big, develop longer vision, and become leaders who will leave great legacy behind. It is this thrust of contributing to the society that we continually innovate in curriculum and move to an engaging teaching and learning experience. You will enjoy your learning at BIM. Our pedagogy is learner-centered and application-oriented. In keeping with the great traditions of BIM, we are on a quest to not only help you find your purpose, but facilitate you in living your purpose. We do our best to infuse new energy into the class and stimulate your thought process and open your minds to participate better in the class. Therefore, we do not bid you to enter the house of our wisdom, but lead you to the threshold of your own mind. As you know, a quality journey is always a collective journey. Therefore, you should challenge yourself to demand the contemporary learning from us. The Industry Institute interface is unique in BIM, as the very ecosystem is embedded in the industrial ethos of BHEL. We have a unique corporate immersion program in summer that aims at providing live experiences in the field of management for our students. Students are guided by their faculty mentors and immersed in an intense journey of learning with hands-on experience. The learning in corporate immersion program enhances better learning experience in classroom. We have another flagship program called Village Immersion Program, where students along with the faculty member stay in villages for 10 days. They learn from the people and contribute to them by evolving an enterprise plan so that people could emerge as social entrepreneurs. Whatever life may have in store for you, each of you have a grand lifelong project, and that is the development of yourself as a human being. Remember that along with the knowledge that you may be building, it is also important to bridge your differences, build roads to connect hearts and minds, and generate goodwill towards all. Knowledge without values is incomplete. All your education would be wasted if it doesn't help to build your character. That would make you flower into the best of humans with full of love, self-confidence, self-reliance, fearlessness, compassion, and a spirit of service. Learn the values of hard work, discipline, integrity, and dedication. BIM prides itself in upholding high values, and you must all imbibe and adhere to the good values that they teach you here, and above all, learn to value and respect fellow human beings. Life is more than work and career, and BIM generally recognizes that people can be happy by engaging in wide variety of activities and interest in life. Bearing this in mind, BIM anchors many student activities aimed at encouraging fine things in life like music, dance, and other liberal arts that make life worth living. We have 17 clubs and committees run by students themselves to serve diverse interests and also to learn the concepts of management value in the process. Recent scientific research recommends that we should take interest in things other than those in the domain of our profession to keep the minds active. I believe that the best executives are generalists and not specialists. All I recommend for you is to have the open mind of a curious generalist. Take time to look at the things around you. Pause to see a leaf dance its way down from the tree. Look at a cloud cluster in the azure sky and imagine what it resembles. You will then see the intricate beauty of ordinary things. Carry the perspective to what you do in livelihood and life. Your journey towards a bright future starts today. This journey will shake you out of your status quo. It will make you come out of your shell, out of your comfort zone. This journey will also be a process of transformation in terms of realizing your strengths and potentials and building the courage to stand for your ideals and values. You will enjoy the happiness of transformation process in terms of better lifestyle and higher studies. This journey is not a lonely journey. Make these twilight years meaningful. As Abraham Lincoln once said, and in the end, it is not the years in your life that counts. It is the life in your years. Hopefully, every one of you will go through and follow this spirit in all your pursuits here. All of us, the faculty, staff, and fellow students, will be there with you in the campus. Always remember, you are citizens of the world. The whole world belongs to you. There is a virtue to be learned from every part of the world. Teamwork from Japan, precision from Germany, marketing and negotiation skills from the US, courtesy, decency, and refinement from the British, and human values from the villages of India. Many people find their passion later in life, and others never find it at all. And for some, their greatest passion is the search itself. But whatever you have found your calling, or if you are still searching, passion should be the first fire that drives you. Preparation at BIM. The key is to listen to your heart and let it carry you in the direction of your dreams. It is possible to set your sights high and achieve your dreams and do it with integrity and character. And such day that you are moving toward your dreams without compromising who you are. You are winning. BIM is a melting pot. You all have come from different backgrounds and communities to pursue your ambitions as students. In an institution, it can be tempting to stick with familiar, and it is especially true with respect to the people with whom you associate. But it would be a lost opportunity to stick with your own all the time. Embrace difference. Get to know people who are different to you. It could be someone from a different part of the country, of a different ethnicity, a different religion, who has different views to you, or who has different interests and perceptions. Once again, I welcome all of you to BIM and also urge you to use all the resources profitably to your advantage, to add value to yourself in the next 2 important years of your life. Your destiny of your future is in your hands. It all depends on how you make your choices with whatever resources you have. How intelligently you use your present assets determine what you will be in the future. I am confident that every one of you will aspire and endeavor to set and live by your own standards and value, to become illustrious professional and gracious human being, so that your contribution to society is substantial and significant. I am sure that particularly your parents are living with such dreams day in and day out through you. This online program will be for a temporary period only, and once the government takes a policy decision for regular offline classes, you will all move to the BIM campus. And with these few words of advice, I wish you every success at BIM. And I am confident that you will find it an immensely rewarding experience. Thank you.
Let me now introduce to you the faculty members of BIM.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to BIM. I am Professor Sriram. I am with this institute from 2002. I am teaching accounting and finance related courses here. Apart from teaching, I am also the controller of examinations now. welcome you again.
Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. S. Jayakrishna, Associate Professor at BIM. I handle courses relating to operations and supply chain management. I wish you all having a great learning experience in BIM. Thank you.
Hi student, we are very happy to welcome you all. We welcome you to this wonderful place. We are eagerly looking forward to meeting you in this campus. We are doing all our best to make your learning experience very rich. Welcome.
Hi all, welcome to BIM. We are all eagerly waiting to interact with you. Welcome again. See you soon.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sudarshan Chelian. I am an assistant professor in the technology management area at BIM Trichy. I look forward to interacting with you all through the various electives and the core courses in technology management discipline. All the best for your 2 years here. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Satyanarayana Rentala. I am a faculty of marketing. I teach the core courses in marketing and various electives in marketing at BIM. I look forward to see you all in campus very soon. Hope you will have a pleasurable experience here. Thank you.
Welcome friends. Welcome to Bharadas Institute of Management. I am Surya Kumar. Best wishes to all of you and your families too.
You can now have a view of all our non-teaching staff members.
I am Kaustubh Viswanathan, Administrative Officer.
I am Srividya, Finance Officer.
I am Geeta from PGP Department.
I am Ravichandran, Account Section.
I am Ayuradham, Admissions Department.
I am Dharmaraj Sekmar.
I am Prabhakaran, Library in Charge.
I am Vijaya, Reception.
I am C. Manivannan, PGP Department.
I am Ramesh Kumar, Exam Department.
I am Jeeva Kumar, Director Office.
I am Charles Peter, System Support Engineer.
I am Vaijayanti, Exam Department.
We have a couple of our recruiters wishing you good luck.
CEO and Managing Director at Amix Technologies. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming the 37th batch to BIM. Amix and BIM Association go way back to 2013 when we got the first set of leaders from BIM. Over the last 8 years, many of the BIM leaders have immensely contributed for the growth of Amix from a content management company to a digital transformation solutions company with over 600 plus team members. Last summer, we had 10 interns from BIM, and I'm sure we're looking forward to next summer, where you'll have many of you intern at Amix. In spite of these challenging times, I'm sure you'd make the most out of your time during your time at BIM for the next 2 years. Congratulations and best wishes. Thank you.
I am Preeti Nair, Executive HR from Nippon Paint. It's my immense pleasure to be part of this induction ceremony. On behalf of Nippon Management, I would like to thank each one of you for guiding and supporting every year for a smooth campus hire. We at Nippon always welcome young minds with creative and strategical skills to achieve the company's mission and vision. Being humble and transparent is the core USP of the Nippon employees. I, on behalf of Nippon Management, would like to wish you all the best for your future career. Thank you.
I once again welcome all you people to BIM and hope you have a great learning experience and a great future from BIM. Thank you.